All right, y'all. So we have a box, and what does this box? Okay. Hey y'all, it's your girl Bree, and welcome back to another YouTube video. What's poppin'? What's good? Today we have a first impressions of the Dunkin' Donuts and E.L.F collab, and I'm super excited about it. But also, I look different because I forgot to film an intro, but I filmed the outro. Like, make it make sense, Bree, because it don't. Anywho, this is also a giveaway, so I'm also giving away these right here, the brushes, the eyeshadow stack, the glosses, and the coffee lip scrub. Most of this collection is pretty much sold out, so get it while you can. I'm doing a giveaway. All you have to do to enter the giveaway is make sure you're subscribed, turn your post notifications on, and also comment down below which one you like more, Starbucks or Dunkin' Donuts. Me, I'm a Dunkin' Donuts girl. I do love me some Starbucks, but for some reason I'm still a Dunkin' Donuts girl. I don't know, something about Dunkin' Donuts just gives nostalgia for me. I don't know, but yeah, like I said, make sure you comment, like, subscribe, turn your post notifications on, and let's just jump right into the video. All right, y'all, so I got the Dunkin' and E.L.F collab from Ulta because when I tried to get it off of the the E.L.F website, it was sold out already. It was already sold out. It was that was kind of annoying, but you know, it's okay. I got the collab from Ulta. I stayed up and I made sure I was one of the first people to get it because I was not going to miss it. Anyone who knows me knows that I love me some Dunkin', okay? Now, I don't drink coffee. But I always do get, if I do get a drink, a vanilla bean colada. Large. Never medium, never small. Very rare occasions when I get either of those two. Always a large.
A large? You got your money.
So this is the first time I'm opening it. Oh my god. It's so cute. This retails for $75. You cannot get the vault anymore, but you can still get the rest of the collection. The only thing that doesn't come are the brushes in the cup. I got the brushes in the cup. Now I won't be testing out the brushes because I have too many brushes I don't really care for. So this is what the inside of the box looks like. Your classic cup, Dunkin', then says E.L.F runs on Dunkin'. Very cute. The main thing that I wanted from this collab. Then we have the bag, and I love the packaging because it's literally just like how Dunkin' would do it. We have the donut sponge. Okay, donut sponge. The E.L.F stack. Chocolate frosted with sprinkles. Strawberry frosted with sprinkles. Boston cream. This was also something I was super excited for. Another thing I was super excited for were these, the glosses, and they come on keychains, which I think is so cool, in the classic colors pink and orange. We do have 3 eyeshadow brushes. They come like the straws, like the Dunkin' straws. We have the putty primer as the coffee lip scrub, okay? So I have to get ready for work. It is currently 9 o'clock. I have to be at work at 10 o'clock. So I'm gonna do my eyebrows first and my eyeshadow primer, and then I'll be right back. All right, so I put the eyeshadow primer on, and now we're gonna go in with this. I don't know which one I wanna do. I think I'm gonna do the chocolate frosted with sprinkles. I think that's the vibe for today. They're individual palettes. They're not all put together, but I'm gonna take the chocolate frosted with sprinkles. It literally says chocolate frosted with sprinkles on it. Packaging and everything is just like really spot on and cute. I'm gonna use this brush. This is a Morphe M441 brush, and all of these shades are actually like shimmer. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go into Boston Cream. Here's Boston Cream. And I'm gonna take that, because it has a matte shade, so I'm gonna take that matte brown and put that all over my crease. And just to let you guys know, I absolutely love the formula of their little quad shadows. So they have different ones, and I highly recommend. And I'm just gonna put that in the crease To kind of lighten it a little bit, I'm gonna take this color here, the lighter brown, to kind of like lighten it up just a little bit. It does have a little sparkle in there, but that's okay. I just want to lighten it just a little bit. And these blend out like a dream. Like I said, I do like these shadows already. I just haven't tried this collab. I have 5 of their little shadow quads. Okay, now I'm gonna go into the chocolate frosted with sprinkles, and I'm gonna go in with the blue. Oh, already so pretty. This is pretty. Let me try with my finger. See if I get more pigment that way. Sure do, sure darn do. Now, actually, I'm gonna try with a brush again. I'm gonna get some setting spray and spray it on the brush to see how that works. If you ever, wet your brush, just make sure that you pick up the product first and then wet it with a setting spray, because if you try to wet it and then pick up the product, it's gonna ruin the product. Okay, it's gonna ruin it. I think I like wetting it better. Okay, and then I'm gonna go in gold shimmer. I'm going outside of it. Ooh, y'all. So I think the blue is like kind of either a topper type of shade or something, because this gold is giving way more pigment off first touch than the blue. And it looks really messy right now, but we're gonna fix it. We're gonna fix it. We're gonna fix her. I'm actually gonna get another flat brush and go back in with that blue and marry these 2 colors together more on this eye. Okay, so I'm gonna go back in with the same brush that I used for the crease, and I'm just gonna blend out the top. Yep, yeah, so this is it. This is the look, the eye look. Not mad at it, not mad at it. I do think that the blue shimmer is definitely more of like a topper, at least in my opinion. I'm not sure about the other ones, but this gold, baby, this gold, that went on like a dream. Now we're gonna go in with the putty primer. I haven't had luck with the putty primer before. It does smell like a glazed donut, but it's not like overpowering, which is good. Get a little bit. Ooh, this texture feels way different from the putty. Okay, the smell is not, I don't really smell much of anything. It does smell like a glazed donut, but it's not overpowering. It's not like extra. Okay, I can get jiggy with that. I can get jiggy with that.
We need to move Lonzo. That ain't no problem.
That wasn't bad. I actually feel like this is way creamier than the original putty primer. The smell isn't too much. It's not overpowering. Next, we're gonna try the sponge. Now, this is the sponge. Ooh, it's kind of heavier than I anticipated it to be. Very soft off the bat, very swishy. I have been in the mood to like not wet my sponges, but today we're going to. So I'm gonna be right back and I'm gonna show you how big this sponge can get. Okay, so it got a little bit bigger, still heavy. I think people are exaggerating, like, oh my god, it's so huge. To me, this is okay. It's kind of huge, but it's not like I thought it was gonna be like huge, like way big, huge.
That's what she said.
The Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation in the shade Cocoa. This is a full coverage matte foundation. So I'm just gonna go in, take the sponge, and I'm just gonna dot it everywhere. And we're gonna see how it blends. I saw someone put their fingers through the hole and go like this. It is really soft. It's just heavy to me. This John is heavy to me. Oh my goodness, but the blend is nice. Oh, it looks super false. I haven't blended my makeup with a sponge in quite some time. So one of the first times I'm coming back blending with a sponge is with this big ass donut. Is this necessary? Do you need this? Absolutely not. However, this does make the process go way faster. I'm not mad at it. Like, I feel like I blend in my foundation way faster than what I normally would. I'm gonna go in with my concealer. This is the Born This Way concealer in the shade Chai. So, okay, I'm gonna squeeze it just a little bit to kind of concentrate that area. Again, this, okay, maybe you do need this. This blends like a dream. I'm not doing that. So for the face mainly, good job, great. I'm just gonna go with my brush. This collection didn't come with blush, bronzer, or anything like that, so I will be right back with blush, bronzer, and all that stuff. Everything that I use will be put down below, so that way you know what I used, what I didn't use. But yeah, I'll be right back with that. So last things that I need to do, coffee scrub, and they say it smells like coffee, and my lips need a little bit of exfoliation, so this is a little coffee scrub. So I'm just gonna, oh, it does smell like coffee. I love the smell of coffee, I just don't drink it. Oh yeah, this feels really good. Oh, this feels amazing. Okay, definitely get your hands on this. Oh my god, that feels amazing. Ooh, it tastes like coffee now. Actually, this is one of my favorite lip scrubs from them. People know them for their lip scrubs also, but I don't know, this one takes the cake. Okay, last thing before I have to go. Glaze for Days kit, and it comes as a keychain, and it's so cute. I'm not sure which one I'm gonna do. I think, should I do, and they come like keychains. Look how cute. How elfing cute. I think I'm gonna do the pink, and I'm sure they're gonna feel amazing after this lip scrub. And it does. It do. Oh, this feels amazing too. Oh, now y'all know I love me some gloss. And y'all know I love me some NYX lip gloss. Okay, well, I'm wearing this today, clearly. Oh my god. It's like it feels thick, but it's not thick. Oh, and I think these two paired, amazing combo, amazing. I'm just gonna tell you my thoughts now. So the shadows, I love the shadows. 10 out of 10, like 1,000 out of 10, amazing. Like, these feel amazing. I wish this wasn't so limited. It literally is so limited. Oh my god, they feel amazing. So if you had to get anything out of this entire collection, get the lips, the coffee scrub, and the glosses. Oh my god, I'm gonna be so sad when they run out. I might have to get another. I might have to get another. I might have to get one for myself and for y'all, because this is ridiculous. Like, this feels incredible on my lips. Incredible. The putty primer is nice so far. I'll give y'all an update. I'm gonna give you guys an update on that, how it wears throughout the day, because I have a long ass day. The shadows I already knew I was gonna like, so there's nothing really to say about the shadows. The formula is good. The pigment is good. Milani setting spray, by the way. The sponge, not necessary. However, I was pleasantly surprised at how this blended everything out so quickly. So quickly. So this is the final look, and honestly, 10 out of 10, impressed, very impressed, especially with the lips. very impressed. Yeah, so make sure you subscribe. But if you guys want to win the giveaway, you will be getting brushes, you'll be getting the stack shadows, and you will be getting the lip scrub and the glosses. That's pretty much the entire collection without the sponge and the putty primer. Honestly, in love, super in love. So happy I got it. I'm so happy I got this vault. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure that you subscribe, comment, like, and share. Remember, to enter this giveaway, all you have to do is subscribe, comment Starbucks or Dunkin' Donuts. Which one is your favorite? Turn your post notifications on so that way you know each time that I upload. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I gotta go, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.